Hi, I'm Bob Denny, author of ACP Observatory Control Software and ACP Scheduler. Welcome to my office and studio. For the last 13 years, I've worked to bring the best in observatory automation and internet control to educational and amateur astronomy for both science and art. One of my goals has been to make the web browser the primary way of doing observing, whether you're in your observatory, in a warm room 100 feet away, or running the observatory from afar, on a smartphone, tablet, Mac, or PC. One set of controls is all you need to learn. It took many years for automation to catch on in the astronomy community, but it's here now. Remote astronomy is growing fast for observatories at great sites, private, research, and educational, and for sharing even the most modest backyard observatory. This down-home one in Arizona belongs to retired LA County Sheriff helicopter pilot Frank Pino and is used by students all over the world every night, weather permitting. Now we're on a mission to dramatically improve observatory productivity while even further reducing the manual work needed to acquire data. ACP Scheduler is a vehicle for this. Throw work at it for months in advance, and it decides what to observe and when, working through interruptions by weather. Our newer videos are in high definition. For the best viewing, switch to 720p and full screen. Scroll down if needed to see the list of video categories. If you're new to DC-3 Dreams, we suggest viewing the Let's Again Acquainted videos now. We'll be adding videos periodically, so be sure to come back. Thanks for visiting the DC-3 Dreams channel. We hope you'll enjoy our videos.